How to get $90 Old Navy promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Over here, you'll find the search box. Type in navi.com and search for it. Over here, you'll find the search box. Type in oldnavy.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Old Navy. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Order, paste the code, and you'll get the discount. But where can you get Old Navy promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Old Navy promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can get Old Navy promo code. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers in this page. Just scroll and check 7% off, 50% off, 30% coupon code, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you are interested in and want to use it. Just go ahead and click on view coupon. So here's the code, you can copy it. Now I can head towards the website of Old Navy, log into your account, browse through the items and select the items that you want to purchase. And while you confirm your order, you will find this section of promo code. Over there, paste the code, and with that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Over here, you're going to find many offers. Also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Old Navy. Well, this is how you can easily get up to $90 Old Navy promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.